November 2nd, 2024. This one I got a call from a lady. She's got 4 zones in her house, and none of them seem to be working. It's she says, you know, they're all blowing cold air. So I'm thinking that she says she got propane heat, so she probably got a boiler down in the basement that's feeding hydro air units, and the boiler's down. She's gonna meet me there first thing Monday morning, so going there now.
Turn right on Chase Road.
She's probably, you know, lives in Boston somewhere. It's like a summer home. So she'd meet me there first thing Monday morning. So she called me. I was finishing up my coffee. I'm heading over there now. And that's what I'm thinking is the issue. She says she's got oil. She's got fuel in a tank. It's an underground tank. She said she just got a bill for it, so she don't think she's out of propane. Which, you know, it's a possibility she's out of propane. Anyway, sounds to me like she's got a boiler that's not either the circulator's bad or airbound or could be anything, right? So we're gonna go over there and see if we can figure out what's ailing this system. I'm thinking that's what it is. There's a boiler feeding 4 hydro air units. But I might be wrong. I've been wrong before.
Turn right at the stop sign.
Either way, she's gonna need heat because it's not getting any warmer out here, so. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Ooh, a little cool out this morning. I had to put on the flipping defrosters.
In 3.5 miles, turn right on Russell's Mills Road.
Hopefully I can get in over here. It's not all low-hanging trees, or she's gonna be sucking the shit sandwich if so. She'll be eating the shit sandwich from me if she flipping can't get into the house. Can't get to the house because of low-hanging trees. I hate pushing. I'm not pushing my way through trees to get to no house. That's one thing about me. I really kind of really pisses me off. People want me to go work for them, and I can't even get into their driveway because they got these, you know, these low-hanging trees. And yeah, they go right, scoot right under it with their little flipping car. But if I try to get in there, there's no way. I don't know. I run into that a lot with these branches, you know. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Put a video together. I came here, and this roll-up switch right here was tripped on this. So I made this little reset with a button for her. Somebody's been over here and pulled this flipping cover off. Broke the dogs off it. Somebody's been here playing around. This is partially off. I got it working again. I had to just reset that rollout switch from a downdraft. I got it heating up. So got a big house here. Basement zone. This one seems to be working. Yeah, that one's working too. First floor. This is the one that's yeah, flip and roll out switch. Right there, that roll out switch was the problem.
Okay, all 3 should be.
Yeah, that basement one seems to be working. I could feel the circulator running, so.
Oh, it does, so you don't think those wires.
It says basement right here, and it's coming back warm. Starting to come back warm.
So you don't think those wires.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what's up with the wiring.
I don't either.
But these are all coming back warm now. At least you got heat in the house, right? This basement one.
Well, we'll see where the heat starts coming out.
Yeah. I don't think that one's working for some reason.
Which one is that? That's on?
Unless she's got the fan on. So unless this is the basement one. This one don't seem to be running. unless that's the first floor. Yeah, I don't know. What's these wires? Who is it?
I don't know, I mean, so,
Fan on. Fan on. See? The fan on. That's why it's running. Heat. Heat set for 70. Something's up with this thing.
Unknown caller.
Room 49. So yeah, and it hasn't been calling. So it might be that other one that's a problem. Heat, unless this thermostat's an issue. No batteries.
no batteries required.
Yeah. Alright, I had to purge this basement zone, but she's coming back warm now. It's got glycol in it. I smell the flipping glycol from hell. Yeah. Glycol from hell eating through the rubbers. But it is working. Lady's happy. She got heat. I'm gonna shut the water back off so she don't want the house to freeze. Huh?
The nest is prompting me, it's still something about the power, if you wouldn't mind taking